Hey, Dan. Having a party, I see. Whose birthday is it? Is that a smoke alarm in the bird cage? It looks worn out. How old is that smoke alarm? Dan, that's too old for a smoke alarm. Smoke alarms need to be replaced every 10 years. Say, Dan, why is it in that bird cage? Dan, a chirping smoke alarm needs a new battery. A smoke alarm belongs on the ceiling or high up on the wall. And that one is far too old. You need a new smoke alarm. Do you have enough smoke alarms in your home? How many do you have? Dan, that's not enough. You need a smoke alarm inside each bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of your home. Dan! Are your smoke alarms working? You need to test your smoke alarms every month. Push the test button to see if it's working. Good job, Dan. You have working smoke alarms in your home. Working smoke alarms save lives. Make sure your home has enough working smoke alarms.